Honey is known for providing many different benefits for the human body. This explains why it has been used as a folk remedy throughout history. With that said, you may be wondering, can honey offer benefits for the lungs? Well, that is exactly what we're going to discuss in this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. As previously mentioned, honey isn't only great for its naturally sweet and delicious taste. It also offers some amazing health benefits as well. It's loaded with antioxidants that can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol, lower triglycerides, and reduce the risk of blood clot formation in your arteries. This is important for the respiratory system because the heart and lungs work together to pump oxygenated blood throughout the body. Therefore, increased blood flow makes the workload on your lungs much more manageable. Not to mention, honey has soothing effects that can relieve a cough and sore throat, which helps the body get rid of excess mucus and secretions. This helps ensure that your airways are free and clear so that the lungs can take in oxygen while removing carbon dioxide. Also, honey contains both phenolic and flavonoid compounds that scientists found to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects on the human body. With that said, a reduction in inflammation can indirectly benefit the lungs and respiratory system. Keep in mind that, while honey does offer plenty of health benefits, it is still very high in calories, which is fine as long as it's consumed in moderation. 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey per day is plenty enough and can serve as an easy way for you to take advantage of the amazing health benefits that were mentioned in this video. With that said, just a reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Real quick guys, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. And if you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other helpful resources. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.